I'm Gagandeep Kaur. As you know, we are working on tense. In last few videos, we have completed present tense, past tense, and today we are going to discuss the last subtype of future tense, that is future perfect continuous tense. So let's start. Future perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that will continue up until a point in the future. It means the activity will have begun sometime in the present, in the past, and in the future, and expected to continue in the future. Okay, now format is subject. Sentence start with subject. Subject could be noun or pronoun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing, etc. And the word which replaces the noun, that is called pronoun, like he, she, it, they, etc. And then shall or will. We use shall with first person, singular, plural, both, or I or we. And will we use will with second person or third person, singular or plural, both. Now have been we use have been with a singular subject or plural subject, both. Plus verb first form with ing, and then object, and then since or for. We use since or for to show the duration of time, but we use both of them differently in the sentence. For example, I shall have been studying hard for my exam since Sunday. I is subject, shall, have been. Studying is verb first form with ing, and then object, then since Sunday. Since is used to show the starting point of the activity. For example, since last Tuesday, since last Sunday, since 2001, since 2005, since 6:30, etc. Next example, Ram will have been shopping for 4 hours. Ram is subject, will, have been. Shopping is verb first form with ing, and for 4 hours. 4 is used to show the time of period. For example, for 15 minutes, for 15 years, for 9 months, for rest of my life, etc. Next example, they will have been swimming since March. Now move to negative sentences. In negative sentences, format is same, only we have to use not before have been, and the examples are same. For example, I shall not have been studying hard for my exam since Sunday. So before have been, not. Next example, Ram will not have been shopping for 4 hours. So before have been, not. Next, they will not have been swimming since Monday. So have been se pehle, not. Now move to interrogative sentences. Format is shall or will plus subject plus have been plus verb first form with ing, and then since or for. For example, shall I have been studying hard for my exam since Sunday? We put question mark after the interrogative sentences. Next example, will Ram have been shopping for 4 hours? Question mark. Next example, will they have been swimming since March? Question mark. Now move to interrogative negative sentences. Format is shall or will plus subject plus not plus have been, verb first form with ing, and then object, and then since or for. For example, shall I not have been studying hard for my exam since Sunday? We also put question mark after the interrogative negative sentences. Next example, will Ram not have been shopping for 4 hours? After that, question mark. Next example, will they not have been swimming since March? After that, question mark. So I hope you understood what is future perfect continuous tense, and next video we will discuss about an exercise related to future tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Thank you so much for watching.